What's up guys, it's your girl officially Ari. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this beautiful wig for my maternity shoot. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this video. So this wig is from Amazon. I will link it down below. It is originally a curly deep wave wig. Yes, I said that right, a curly deep wave wig. I washed this wig, blown it out, straightened it out, so now today it's going to be a body wave wig, okay? So right here I'm just hot combing the beginning of the hair. This wig is a used wig. I've installed it before. It's a 13x4 lace with transparent lace as well, and it's around 24 to 26 inches. So right here I'm just switching out to a white beige cap because working on a white beige cap is way better than working on a colored cap already. You know, I'm going ahead and I'm cutting them ear tabs. And today the glue that we will be using to melt down this lace is Bold Hold Active, not Bold Hold Regular, Active. Yes, because I live in Florida, baby, and it sweats over here. Now I just go ahead and add one layer of glue to cut the bald cap. And then I just really find the nearest stick and start smoothing in my glue. Y'all, that's really a mascara brush. I just use the end of it. And then I go ahead and get my blow dryer, blow it all dry, you know, till it's clear. Look at me playing with my belly. Doesn't make any sense. And then I also like to go in with my Got To Be Glue spray behind the glue and spray that in. And then just keep blow drying that, you know, get a nice bald cap. Now I'm going to get my barbershop scissors and start cutting all the excessive cap off. Sometimes I do use a trimmer. Sometimes it's easy to use scissors, just depending. Then I just tie up the excessive cap in the back. Time to color the cap. I will be using my Truly Matte Foundation from LA Colors in the color Mahogany, and I'll be using the LA Colors concealer in the shade Deep. I like to mix these two makeups because they match my skin tone perfectly, and you can get them at your local beauty supply store or drugstore. Okay guys, so right here I'm just trying on my wig to get ready to style it. I prefer to style my hair before I actually install it. It's just better to me that way. Now I'm just grabbing my wax sticks. It's the Bully wax sticks from Erica J, and I'm using the best hot comb ever from Kendra's Boutique. This hot comb always gets the job done, and we just flatten it, make sure it's all flat. And then I'm just parting out the two pieces. That's going to be the curls in the front. And then we just twist that away so it won't be in the way. And then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to work on my braids. So I hot comb, part it down. Make sure the part is very straight, y'all. It's important because we do not need a cricket braid. Once I get how much hair I want to braid the hair, I'm going to take out some baby hairs. Cannot forget the baby hairs. And then I'm going to get my Got To Be Glue spray and start braiding so that way it stays hard. So that braid came out super cute. Now I'm just going to work on the other braid. Now that I have my braid styled and baby hairs taken out, I'm going to go ahead and pin the hair back so I can get ready to glue the wig down. So yes, taking my Bold Hold Active, and I like to put 2 layers on. So this right here is the first layer. We got to smooth it in with our little stick. And then I let it dry till it's clear, and then do the same to the next layer of glue. Now that my glue is completely dry, I go ahead and take the lace and start pressing down on the glue really hard, and then I go in with my hot comb because it gives it an extra melt, and then of course, you know, we blow dry it until it's dry. And then I go ahead and I take my adhesive EBN spray. This is the best spray ever to finish melting your lace. I highly, highly recommend this spray. It really gets the job done, but you have to make sure your lace is dry before putting on your band. After my lace is dry, I go in with a little bit of makeup, the same makeup that I use. Then I go ahead and grab my band, y'all. You know, this completes the whole melting process. Now that we did all the extra work and styling, let's go ahead and start getting into these curls. I'm prepping my hair, brushing it out, making sure I'm using my wax sticks to hot comb it, make sure it's all flat. Now I'm tying my two braids back together with the rubber band. As y'all can see, it's flat and pretty. So now we are using my curler I got off Amazon. Y'all, I love this curler. It comes with also 6 different attachments for you to switch up your sizes with the curls. But anyways, look at these 2 curls in the front, period. Now let's go ahead and get into these wand curls that I'm doing in my hair. Honestly, I just sprayed Got To Be Glued spray on each one, and I also used my Big and Sexy hairspray. I got it from like a local Walgreens. I'll be sure to link everything down below, and I just kept repeating it all over my head. So spray, spray, curl. And guys, surprisingly, this hair really holds really well with these curls. I slept on them overnight, and I didn't even have to touch them up for the next day. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the band, y'all. Why I popped off like that? I was low-key like, are you serious? That I messed up my lace. But I'm just finishing the 2 curls in the front. Now my favorite part, the baby hairs. So I like to take a hot comb and start straightening out my hairs. Then I go ahead and start cutting them. And then I get this little, I don't know what you call it, but it's a skinny flat iron. And I like to curl my curls. I got it from my hair store, and I'm using my EBN Edge Control, and I went in with a lot of body mousse. I'm pretty sure y'all know these products. But boom, look at my baby hairs. Stop playing with me, period. Now let's do the other side. The finished baby hairs are so cute. Now I'm going in with my last and final curl that was on the side. Boom. Yes, this is cute. Okay guys, my hair came out so freaking cute. He got 99 followers and the biggest one is me. He got all these and the biggest one is us. Y'all, my maternity shoot is gonna be thebomb.com because I slayed my hair. Okay, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I did have a little bit of struggle because I braided it side down without putting baby hairs out. So I had to retake the braid out and take out the baby hairs and re-braid it back. But it's real cute, I love it. Only thing is in the back, I had to use a big rubber band because I don't have any small ones. So I'm gonna go to the hair store tomorrow and I'm gonna get a small rubber band. But anyways guys, my camera's about to die, so if y'all like this video, make sure y'all comment down below, subscribe to the girl channel if you're new, and follow me on all social media. My hair is so freaking cute. Stay tuned for the maternity shoot. Period. And we're out.